I'm Mingo Park, in charge of training for utilization of fumigation equipment and devices in Kolka program. In this time, I'm going to present the certification of fumigation facilities. I'm a team manager of phytosanitary treatment in pest control division in Animal and Plant Quarantine Agency. The contents are as follows: details of fumigation facilities, how to certificate the fumigation facilities, and conclusion. Before certifying fumigation facilities, we would check details of fumigation facilities. There are two kinds of fumigation facilities in Korea: fumigation chambers and the fumigation containers. I'll show a chamber in this presentation. This is the outside view of the chamber. The size of the chamber is 385 cubic meter, and the door are made gas tight. This slide shows the introducing line of ethyl formate with the fan in the chamber. This is the part where ethyl formate is sprayed. Ethyl formate would be blown, this one, blown into the chamber by this fan, fan. There are 14 fans that are total capacity of 350 cubic meters per minute, which means the fans are available to circulate all space of the chamber within about 1 minute. There are 7 lines for checking gas concentration. 3 of them are used for checking gas concentration in the box of banana during fumigation. 1, 2, 3. The 3 for checking uniformity of gas concentration in the chamber. 1, 2, 3. Front, middle, and rear. The last one is used for pressure leakage test to assess the gas tightness of the chamber. This is the air supplying hole. The holes are located on the ceiling near the door in the chamber, opposite the gas nozzles. The supplying system would be required to adjust fumigant efficiently after completion of fumigation. This is a hole for degassing the fumigant. There are 5 holes for gas exhaust opposite the door near circulation fans. A fan with the capacity of 1,000 cubic meter per minute is located on the roof of this chamber. This is a manometer for pressure leakage test of the chamber. One of 7 gas measuring lines is connected to this manometer. This is the control panel of the chamber. This one is a status board for recording a treatment. This fumigation facility has a fumigant dispensing system separately. Vapor formate as a formulation of ethyl formate is used in the facility for banana. The balance with resolution of 0.01 kilogram is used for weighing the fumigant. A specially designed vaporizer is set in the dispensing room. The temperature of water in the vaporizer should be above 66 degrees Celsius. These are dispensing lines of ethyl formate, which are connected to the chamber upstairs. These are dispensing lines of ethyl formate, which are connected to the chamber upstairs. This is a gas detector for ether format with a resolution of 0.001%, 100 ppm, which is a permissible exposure limit of ether format. I have already explained about PEL daily in lecture of use of gas mask. This facility is very special because it has a remote gas detection system in the dispensing room. From now on, how to certificate fumigation facilities is going to be explained. Pressurize the blow air into the chamber while the chamber is closed except one line to the manometer. Stop the blow when the pressure reached 50 millimeter aqua. You can see 50 millimeter aqua on the manometer. Start to the stopwatch like this. It is supposed to be passed when the pressure is over 5 millimeter aqua H2O in 5 minutes after stopping the blower. One minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Five minutes. Even though this is almost 30 millimeter aqua, the pressure leakage test chamber has thus been passed, which means the chamber has a good gas tightness. Because that I said it is supposed to pass when the pressure is over 5 millimeter aqua. Instead of 30 millimeter aqua, this one. So that's why this one is passed. The place gas detection hoses at 3 points in the chamber, front to upper, middle, and layer bottom. The load the banana in the chamber with a spacing of 25 centimeter between pallets. Because it is regulated that spacing between pallets should be more than 25 centimeter when bananas are fumigated by ethyl formate. You can see the spacing of 25 centimeter. And closing door and close door, which is pressurized with oil. You can see the door is closing very slowly. Depressurized by oil. injected the ether formate to the chamber. As I said, the remote gas detection system is installed in this room. Now, this one is a remoting gas detection system. Temperature should be above 66 degrees Celsius during fumigation, this one. Now it's 70 degrees Celsius. That's why it's okay. It took almost 20 minutes to supply ether formate. You can see that remote detection system, the red one. The red one is that doors closed. It means those doors closed. Finally stop that the close that the bomb of ether formate. And measure that concentration at the 3 point in the chamber at 10 minutes intervals for assessing gas uniformity. The first one checked. It is supposed to be passed when each concentration of the 3 points does not exceed 10% of the average of concentration within 30 minutes after completion of injection. The rear bottom point shows 1% of ether formate. The middle one, 0.94% of ether formate. Or the last one, the front upper one, 1.06% in 10 minutes after completion of injection of ether formate. That's why it has been passed. Because the average of 3 concentration is 1.00%, and each concentration shows between 0.9 to 1.1%. The checking gas concentration was not needed anymore. Start degassing the ether formate after completion of fumigation and measure concentration of 3 points. Lastly, the gas uniformity test. The concentration of residual gas should be below permissible exposure limit 100 ppm within 1 hour after completion of degassing. No gas was detected, first one. Second one also not detected as well. Third one also not detected. So that's why gas aegis ability has thus been passed. This is the conclusion. Details of fumigation facilities. Size of chamber is 385 cubic meter, 14 introducing lines, and circulation fans with a total capacity of 350 cubic meter per minute are installed in this chamber. 7 gas detection lines are installed. One of them is for pressure leakage test. 3 of them are for gas uniformity test. A gas detector at a format with resolution of 0.0% is used. 5 holes for gas aegis with a capacity of 1,000 cubic meter per minute are installed. Fumigant dispensing system and the remote gas measuring system are installed. Certification of fumigation facility. The pressure leakage test. Has been passed. As the pressure decreased as 50 millimeter aqua to 30 millimeter H2O in 5 minutes. Gas uniformity test has been was passed as a gas concentration of 3 points are 1.00% and 0.94% and 1.06%. The gas exhaust ability test was also passed as no gas detected in 30 minutes after start exhaust. This is all about certification of facilities. See you next time on another topic. Thank you very much for your attention.